Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get hello. Right, up to full. 1, 2, 3.
Well, 1, 2, 3. Welcome from the Lollie and Markie show, and welcome to Chester.
I think you get parking with that as well.
Where are we, Markie?
We're in the centre of Chester. That's the cross behind us. This is Eastgate Street. You've got the cathedral where we've just been up there. So should we have a stroll down the High Street? So Watergate's behind us. Well, we've just done a walk around the cathedral, and there's your clock tower. The hole in the wand.
What's he got?
Magical mini golf.
Is it? Yeah. And then you go upstairs, and you've got all kinds going on there.
Oh, Brewskis looks nice, doesn't it? Do you want to go up on?
Should we go up on a little beach?
Comfort Food Emporium.
What got these little balconies before years ago then? You know, like these buildings are Tudor, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I wonder what these little walkways were used for.
Well, you had the riffraff down there, didn't you? No, you would have had the riffraff down there.
Really?
This would be for the upper class, so they didn't have to mix with the likes of you and me, babe. Oh, the likes of me anyway. I would have been looking up here. You would have been one of these ladies up here, you know.
Well, you know, we both come from
I would have been one of the
estates.
oinks down there. That's what I would have been. Well, this is such a beautiful city, and I mean, you got
Fancy some diamonds.
you got all these beautiful restaurants built into the.
How long have these buildings been here then?
Well, a couple 100 years, haven't they? I mean, if that bar's been the pub that we've been to, 300. These must be somewhere around there. I mean, these are modern, but
yeah.
But these lots, the traditional.
It's stunning, isn't it?
Gorgeous.
Hobbs,
Gorgeous.
Lollie's favourite shop. One of.
Oh, yeah, babe.
Well, you're such a gent. Thank you so much.
No problem. It is such a wonderful place.
Oh, babe.
What?
Here we go again.
What?
God rest his soul. Debenhams.
Oh, yeah.
Browns of Chester. Oh, look. Oliver Brown. Hey, they're very posh, aren't they? I don't like these though. They remind me of like the 70s.
Yeah, the more.
Tailors, is it?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't mind them. They're of God. They're if you go yachting or something, aren't they?
I mean, you got the leather shop over there.
Should we go back down?
Hobbs, yeah, go down. I mean, there's not much there. Flannels, it's up there now.
Hobbs.
Your
Lollie's
fave.
got quite a few outfits from Hobbs.
Nice Aston Martin going around the corner.
Oh, yeah.
See now,
Markie's favourite car.
now just coming up on the right now is the Grosvenor. Back in the day when Browns was here, this was heaving around here.
No.
Absolutely heaving.
Right, we are going to review it aren't we?
We are.
But it's quite expensive.
So any contribution would help.
I was. Oh, look at the Aston Martin parked right outside as well.
Will we
Let's
stop
you
here?
get out, babe.
Yeah, babe.
No, I'm going to go in. I'm going to see.
There's your cathedral just to the left.
I know, but I'm going to see who gets out
It's
of
going to
this.
be somebody
Jack.
we've never heard of.
I'm going to look anyway. I don't care. Who is he?
See, never heard of them.
What?
Anyway, you've just missed a fabulous view of the cathedral.
Absolutely stunning.
Should we go up to the clock tower? Come on. We'll walk up to the clock tower.
So you get your concierge
Yeah.
and fabulous.
Oh, it's a Jag, not Martin.
What was it?
F-type, yeah. I need glasses on. I looked at it right down there. I mean, it's lovely. Did you know, though, I think it's midnight, New Year, you
Yeah.
can kill a Welshman with an arrow.
A Scotsman.
No,
A Scotsman.
no, it's a Welshman.
Look it up.
Is it a Scotsman?
It's a Scotsman, yeah.
Oh, we'll have to Google that
It
now.
is.
I'm crap at these things. Yeah, let's go up the stairs. Bum, 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 bum. Low. Seen the Clog Eye Welsh Gold shop there. But come on up. Does me bum look big? I feel like Annika Rice. All I need is a yellow jumpsuit.
That can be arranged.
So that's where we started about 2 hours ago before I went in the cathedral, just down there. And if you're the carriage street down here, it'll take you up here.
Thank you. Am I coming?
What do you think?
Well, hi, darling. Do you
Well,
come here
hi.
often?
Only at the strike of midnight with me bow and arrow. So that's not a bad view. That's the view you want behind you. What do you think of that?
Stunning, but we love Chester, don't we?
We do. We do. It's lovely there. Let's have a look this way. We are supposed to be heading back towards the hotel now, aren't we?
We are.
And we will do. We'll get there. It's only about 10-minute walk that way.
You need your hair cut,
I
darling.
do. It's quite nice. Nice here, isn't it? Oh. Enjoy your homemade cone. You can have your Chester beer
So
here.
one scoop £3.50, 2 scoops £5.
Not bad, is it?
It's not cheap if you've got a couple of kids.
Well, no, but Scoopy ice cream isn't. So if we were to carry on walking down here, babe, you know
Yeah.
where it take us?
The D?
Yep. Take us to the River Dee, straight down there, and the Viking digging. Well, not Viking, the Roman. Roman. Let's get the right people who invaded. So, should we just walk down and?
Shall I just pause then?
Yeah, just
So I've
pause.
just got the back of your head. And to be honest, you look a bit like Friar Tuck at the
Do I?
moment. You love me?
Of course, I love you, babe.
Okay. Okay, guys, so that was just a little walk through Chester High Street and what a wonderful place it is. Hope you liked it too. And if you did, like, subscribe, press the little notification button and come and join us on the rest of our travels.
Yeah. So if you haven't already, subscribe, share, What else you have
I've
to?
just said that.
Did you just say all
I've
that?
just said the whole thing, so when you're listening,
No, I was
I said
looking.
the whole shebang.
I was looking where I was walking. That, right, okay, so no point saying it again. It's already been said perfectly already.
Do you live on another planet? I'm holding your arm,
know.
talking to you, saying it. Right, you good here?
You mean good here? So, on that devastating
On
blow.
that note, I'm not even going to say it again. I'm going to keep
No.
this in as well, because these viewers are going to get to know
What you have to put up
what I
with,
have to put up with, yeah. And maybe one of them will send me a gold medal.
maybe. Right, anyway, we're going to close it there. So, from the
Lollie and Markie show.